This video will show you how to change the batteries for the Opendoor Revolution lock. Firstly, you will need with you a Phillips screwdriver and 4 AA alkaline batteries. Next, unscrew and take off the 4-end plate and pull out the battery case from the bottom of the mortise. Now you can replace the batteries in the case, making sure you place the batteries in the correct way. Please note that if you use a European mortise, the batteries will need to be inserted the opposite to as advised. Once you have done this, you can now place the battery case back into the mortise. With this, you should hear a beep to confirm connection. Now screw the 4-end plate back on. You do not need to reinstall your lock, as our locking system does not lose its information. You will, however, need to set the time on the lock. If you're unsure on how to set the time, then please refer to our other video.